Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala khatamin nabiyyin, amma ba'd, fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam, afdalul amali an-niyyatu as-sadiqah. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, the true intention is the best amal, best action. So, hadith is mentioned in Jami al-Saghir. So, all devotees of Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam, before any permissible action, let's do true intention, because true intention lead people to enter Jannah. So, may Allah Azza wa Jalla give us ability to make true intention before any permissible act. Ameen. Bijay Khatamin Nabi Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.